Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we discuss about the definition of law and punishment and their relationship. Law is a system of rule created and enforced through a social and governmental institution to regulate behavior. A punishment is a legal consequence imposed for violation law intended to penalize the offender and deter future misconduct. Objectives of law: first is order and security. Prevent the chaos and maintains social order. Second is justice and fairness. Ensure the quality, rights and protection for all. Social control. Shape accept behavior through rules. Third is conflict resolution, provides a formal method to resolve the disputes. And fourth is public welfare, protects health, safety, and moral of the public. It is the major objectives of law. Third is purpose of punishments. First is retribution, any eyes of an eyes, justice through a proportional response. Deterrence, discourage the offender, specific and society general from committing crimes. Rehabilitations, reform the offender to re-enter the society as a law abiding citizen. Incapacitations, prevent further crimes by restricting the offender freedoms. Restorations aim to repair the harm causes to victim and communities. The fourth type of punishment, there are multiple types. First is capital punishment, death penalty used in some countries. Imprisonment, removal of liberty for period of time. Fines and penalties. Monetary compensation to the state. Community service, uh, cost non-custodial corrective works. Prohib- Probations, paroles, conditional freedom under supervision. Fifth is theories of punishment. Classical theory focus on deterrence, swift and certain punishment. Positivist theory views crimes as a result of social and physically or biologically factors support the rehabilitations. Uh, soci- Sociological theories connected crimes to social inquiries. Lack of opportunity. Utilitarian theories, a punishment justified if bring that greatest good for societies. It is most important factor. Six is the relationship between law and punishment. Punishment enforcement law. Without punishment, law lacks the power to influence the behavior. Law justifies punishment. Legal system provide due to process and prevent the uh, arbitrary punishments. Balancing act. Punishment must be matched to severity of the offense to maintain the public trust. Salmon is criticism and challenges disproportionate punishment. Sometimes the punishment does not match the crime. Wrongful convictions. Innocent people may suffer due to flaws the legal system. racial and social base. Punishment may be harsher and marginalized communities. Overcrowding in persons, exclusive use of incarcerations can harm rehabilitation efforts. It is modern trends in punishment. Restorative justice focus on the reconciling between offender and victims, decriminalization, reducing penalties for minor offense, drugs like alternatives to person rehabilitations programs, electronic monitoring, human rights. Last one is law morality and justice. Moral basis law often reflect the social little moral but may move over the time. Conflict between law and moralities. Justice as a goal, punishment must be aligned with the broader goal of justice, not revenge.